There's a red bird that just flew up, red and black. I've got it zoomed in just to not scare it. I'm trying to find it with the camera. I believe I have it. I'm not sure about the quality of this video, so we're just gonna walk up slowly to this red and black bird. Never seen one. Here we go. Just stay put. Can I see you? Can I see? Oh, he did not fly away. He did not. Okay. Hey, buddy. I'm just as easy. How close you want to let me? Huh? How close you want to let me? That's a nice song. Pretty sure I'm recording you. Let me see, what tree is that? That's the tree. You're right there. Ah. Alright. Here we go. Look at me. I'm not going to get any closer. I might. Let's see. Can you show me the red? Show me your red. Alright, let's see how close I can get. Oh.